Hello guys, welcome back to another Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis session. Let's quickly recap yesterday's insights and see how the market responded to our analysis today. First of all, let's start with Nifty futures. Yesterday I was speaking about there is a strong single print at 24,407 and that single print will give good amount of support, and unless the prices goes below 24,330 levels, there is a good possibility of up move towards the mechanical reference at 24,567 level and value area high around 24,614. If you look at today, Nifty futures has opened outside the value area but inside the range, and I was speaking about yesterday high was a poor high and likely it will get revisited. So if you look at today, so exactly the prices have opened around 24,450 levels and it cleared the poor high and it tried to came down and it tested the single print at 24,407, and there is a strong rejection guys in the morning itself. If you look at the prices have closed above the volume clusters, there is a strong buying imbalance. So if you look at again in the second 30 minutes also, prices have closed above the buying imbalances and there is a strong gap here. So all these things, they indicated that it's going to be a up move. So there was a strong up move in the third candle, and around 115 prices have cleared the mechanical reference at 24,567, and it has almost touched the value area high, which is at 24,614. so the high itself is 24,591, and finally prices have closed at 24,533 levels. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is, if you look at today, as the price is going up, there is a good amount of unfinished business around 262 and 523 levels, and at the closing area at the highs also strong unfinished business is there. Your opportunity lies based on where the price opens. Today's value area itself is at 24,590 levels. Today's high itself, along with the unfinished business, it's a poor auction area, so it's likely will get revisited, and any close above this on 30 minutes, again we will see a higher high. So for any further up move, I was yesterday referring that look for acceptance about 24,670 to 680 levels, then you will see a up move towards 24,800 levels. If at all there is going to be a price acceptance inside today's value area, you will see easily the closing point 24,530 and even easily 24,500 is very much possible, which is, if you go into daily analysis, what happened is the previously prices have rejected exactly around this area, and now Nifty is probing this area. So by default, because there was a supply previously, assume that the prices will come down. For any kind of further up, look for a follow-up buying on 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is with Nifty guys. Coming to Bank Nifty guys, yesterday I was mentioning that there is a poor high at 52,500 levels. Likely it will go towards the value area high of last Thursday value area high at 52,680 levels, which happened in the first 30 minutes itself. And if you look at in the first 30 minutes, Bank Nifty has created an open test drive. The prices opened and it tested some reference point of yesterday's high and it got rejected. The prices closed above the poor high, so that indicated that there could be a further higher high. So whenever you see open test drive, that indicates that there is a strong resolve among buyers. So prices opened at, so think about it guys, the prices opened at this level and it went down seller tried to make a down move, but sellers were not strong enough. So what happened, when sellers are not strong, what happens, the opposite buyers, they try to take control. So if you look at, there is strong imbalance, buying imbalances along with the 6.7k delta, which indicated strong up move might be there. So if you look at 100% of this open test drive has been extended, which is a classic sign of open test drive. And one more thing, yesterday I was mentioning that for any kind of further up move, look for acceptance above 52,800 levels. Acceptance above this level, Bank Nifty will likely go for 53,300 to 400 levels. So the high today itself is 52,990, so almost 53,000 it has touched, and for tomorrow there is a good possibility 53,300 might be reached, but I would suggest you to watch for a follow-up buying here. So the reason is a passive seller around 53,000, he has come in today. Any acceptance inside the value area, obviously you will see the POC and you will see these single prints all the way down to 52,720 levels, and even prices might even come down to test the imbalances at 52,630 levels. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.